The Bay East annual election for the 2021-2022 directors is open now. Look for the email sent to you on Friday, June 19th from Bay East with your unique voting link. If you cannot find the email, visit the latest news section on www.bayeast.org. You can learn more about the candidates here too. Voting is open through 2 p.m. on June 28th. All Realtor members in good standing, that is all members whose financial obligations are paid, are eligible to vote for at-large directors and directors representing their districts. There are no vacancies for officers or affiliate director this year. Every vote counts. It's not too late to have your voice heard. Cast your vote now for the realtors you want representing the membership.